Discover how thousands of YouTubers are making a full-time income. Go to beatoolboss.com or click the link in the description. Welcome to Real Internet Cash TV. It's your man Earl, Batman Stringer, and in this video I'm going to share with you a YouTube side hustle that can start making you passive income, and you don't ever have to show your face on camera if you don't want to. Now, this method that I'm talking about is very simple, and it could be very profitable, but a lot of people ain't talking about doing this, right? And I'm kind of like, man, people missing out, right? If you're trying to cash in on YouTube, like, try this method. All right, so first thing you need to do, right, is pick a niche, right? Figure out what it is you want a YouTube channel about. I highly recommend it being something that you can monetize, whether it be, you know, how to do something, whether it be sports related, you know, cooking, you know, fitness, anything, like whatever you feel like, you know, you wouldn't mind creating content on, you know, editing videos on, whatever, right? But you want to make sure it's something that you're interested in and something that you can monetize, right? So once you figure that out, this is the main thing. You don't want to be on camera, right? You know, you want to be on YouTube. You want to make YouTube money. You got a niche, right? You know what you want to do. All you need to do is find someone to be on camera. And you might be thinking, man, come on, man. That's common sense. Obviously, I know I can find somebody. Okay, but are you doing it? Right? Are you doing it? Have you done it? Right? And so what I mean by finding somebody to be on camera, because you might be thinking, all right, I know people, but you know, what are they gonna get out of it being on YouTube? Or what are, you know, what, like, why would they want to do that for me? Blah blah blah. Here's why. Here's the thing. Here's how you make it happen. So say for example, a fitness person, right? Say, and mind you, you could do this locally, right? You know, you could do this whatever, or you might even know somebody. But anyway, so you want to do a fitness related channel, right? So you already realize, okay, how am I going to monetize this fitness channel? So you already figure out, all right, first of all, I want to monetize it with YouTube ads. So I plan on getting the whole 1,000 subscribers and the 4,000 watch hours. But that's, you know, you got to get approved for that, blah, blah, blah. But there's, you know, I'm going to become an affiliate over at Amazon, or I got fitness courses I could become an affiliate of, or whatever, right? So how you get the person is, now you find, say, a fitness trainer in your area, or a fitness instructor, or whatever, somebody in the fitness field, right? You approach them, which this is super easy to approach people, because you're basically offering someone to make money doing what they already do, right? So you could approach a fitness trainer, go up to them, you know, whatever, email them, Facebook, Instagram, however you want to do it, go to the gym, say, hey, excuse me, are you on YouTube? And a lot of people aren't on YouTube, right? And they might be like, nah, whatever. You might, hey, I got a business proposition for you. They're gonna be like, huh? What's up? Hey, I'm starting my own fitness channel, you know, blah blah blah, and I want you to, like, you know, be the person in front of the camera, and you know, this is how I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna cut you in whatever the percentage is, right? I'm gonna cut you in on 30% of the, you know, ad money that comes in, right? Or I'm gonna give you 30%, 40% of my affiliate commissions. Like, let them know what you're doing. Like, you know, I got different programs. You know, I'm affiliated. You know, you want to make it like he can't just run off, or she can't just run off and do what you're doing. You want to let it be known like you got your own business model. You basically using them for like talent, basically, right? They're like the actor of the movie, so to speak, right? So you come at them, figure out your own details, how you want to do things, right? What kind of split you want to do. Because remember, you in the YouTube, you know the game. You know what you need to do to make content. You know how to upload the videos. You know how to do the thumbnails, all that stuff. So you're gonna get the majority of the profit, right? Because you're doing most of the work. So a lot of people will accept that, because you have to work out a schedule. Be like, hey, well, I got these different videos. You know, You create different lists of video ideas and titles. You can meet them at the gym. You can even film them training people. You can, set up a time where once a week or once a month, you got like 5 videos that you want to shoot, right? For your content for your channel. Once you get rolling, everything get going. Once you get monetized on YouTube, once you start getting affiliate commissions, you got a full-blown business. You got passive income. So even if you build up your channel, check this out. You build up your channel to the point where you don't even want to do videos no more, but your channel was still earning, from YouTube ads or affiliate sales or brand deals, whatever you worked out, you can still just be making passive income. You can move on to another channel. Tell your tell the person in the video, the fitness trainer, say, hey, I'm moving on, whatever, but any money that still come in, I'm still gonna send it to you, blah 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 blah, right? Work out all the details, right? This is just, I'm giving you a broad business plan that you can implement today if you wanted to. Because you're watching this, you might be like, well, I want to do fitness. I ain't into fitness. All right, what about come up with like find a lawyer, right? You could do a legal YouTube channel all about, legal questions and stuff like that. What about a chef, right? What about a chef? Different recipes. You could film them doing recipes, or they could just be given, film them doing cooking tips and stuff like that, right? It's really almost anybody that whatever, that you can find that's willing to be on your channel. Most people will take money. Most people will be like, most people are looking for ways to earn extra cash, and you could provide that for them, and it'll be super easy for them. All they gotta do is talk about what they do, right? Give some tips and let you film them, once a month or once every couple weeks. And then all they gotta do is sit back once a month and wait, to see how much money the channel made. Come on now. That's easy work, right? And you could do that. You could do this method with multiple people, multiple channels. Yes, you got to grind, right? You got to create the content and everything. But why not? You could do that with the fitness instructor. You could do it with the lawyer. You could do it with a doctor, right? You could do it with a dancer, right? A dance instructor, whatever, right? Open up your mind, right? It's like endless opportunities out here, guys. So this is a way that you can make money on YouTube without being on camera. And this actually could make a lot of money, just depending on the grind, depending on the niche, depending on a lot of different things. But this can be a solid way to earn some passive income from YouTube. And if you want other ways that you can make money from YouTube, be sure to check out the course that I talk about at the intro of this video, YouTube monetization and automation. Check that course out, because that's the course that helped me start making money from YouTube. So obviously, link in the description. All right. So if you got any questions about this method, or you try this method, come back, comment below, let me know what you think, and I will see you in the next video. And be sure to subscribe. Peace.